Okay, we're on the roof of the house now. I want to show you a few things now that we're up here. First of all, if we come closer, you can see that we had to build out these walls. So after we injected these outside walls with the foam, like I had showed you in the garage, we also built out and put extra rigid board on the outside exterior walls, and that also adds some extra R value for us. The walls, like I had mentioned, are 2x4. They started out as 2x4, and they're empty cavities. So we injected the foam, added the rigid board, and then re-sided. So that caused our thicknesses to come out, and we built them out with extra metal. A very inexpensive thing to do, but it looks really nice when you're done, when you install new windows. The other thing I wanted to show that we're up here is when it comes to roofing, we chose a shingle that was actually Energy Star rated at the time. The reason why it was rated like that is because it reflects more light than it takes in, and it lowers the cooling load in the summertime. Also, when we did the roof, we wanted to make sure that ridge vent was installed on all the top surfaces of the roof. So the reason why this was installed here, if you can look down the line, is this is a way for air in the attic to exhaust from the attic. And I'll show you where it starts and comes in, and it's right around the corner here. The way the roof vents and gets air to vent out and keep the cooling load down and vent the hot spaces is it takes in the air here with something called a soffit vent. You can see this house originally didn't have any soffit ventilation on it, and we installed it on all roof surfaces to the outside. So once air comes in here, it travels up the roof line and it exhausts out that ridge vent, the same thing that's installed right here. So with that, we'll go right downstairs to the air conditioning coil, and I'll show you how we vented the furnace.